Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. So for today's video, I will be showing you guys how I lay these baby hairs on this wig from Divawigs hair. I'll be showing you guys how to pluck, finesse the lace and all of that for your wig install, so your install can be looking bomb and popping. Let's jump right into it. So again, this hair is from Divawigs. Now with your wig, they do send you a brush and some stocking caps and then a little card with all your wig info on it. So like the hair length, color, density, all of that is on this card right here. So the name of the wig on their website that I got is called LIYA. Now this is a kinky straight human hair lace wig. It does mimic like a 3A to like a 4C hair texture. The hair length is a 24-inch. The hair density 150 density. Hair color is a natural black. And the knots on this wig does come bleached. They do call it the Kamo knots. To be honest, I'm not quite sure what exactly that means, but I'm assuming it has something related to your knots being bleached. So before installing it, I did go ahead and add some foundation to the lace. Yeah, that looks a lot better now that I added the foundation to the lace. I don't know if you guys can tell the difference or not, but it's less white and it's actually looking on the lace area. So lately I've been actually preferring to cut my lace off before installing the wig, so I'm just gonna take my scissors, and when I'm cutting, I'm not really cutting in like a straight line. I'm gonna take my scissors and like go up and down as I'm cutting the lace off. Okay, so because if you have like a really straight line, it just looks really wiggy. This method, when your lace is like completely melted into your skin, it just looks a lot more natural, and that lace is like really undetectable. I'm just gonna take my dot so you guys know this is my everything right here, and I'm just gonna spray this on my forehead. I do prefer to lay down the center first and then everything else after. And now this is what my wig is looking like after laying it down. You guys can see how flawless it is looking already. I'm just taking my hot comb and going over the front there just to flatten it down a little bit. And honestly, with this wig, you can really get away without even adding any baby hairs. So I would say, like, if you don't want to add baby hairs, then you definitely would not need to pluck it. But if you do want to add baby hairs, then you definitely need to go in and pluck some more hair out of it. Now I'm just sectioning off my hair from my center part, and I know you guys, it is not straight at all. It's looking hella rough. I don't know why. I just cannot get a straight part, but I came up with a new trick that's been helping me, which if you guys stay tuned, you will definitely see what helps me. This is a new trick that I came up with, which is just adding some concealer to the ending of my rat tail comb and applying that in the center part. And you guys, straight is not even the word. Like, it just gets it done for me so easily. Rather than me having to struggle to like actually get a straight part, this really helps. just go back over it with my foundation powder because the concealer that I used was a little too light. So I just use my foundation powder just to darken it a little bit. And then you can take your hot comb, go over it, or just take your fingers and dab it in just to make sure that that concealer is really into place. Now it's time to lay these baby hairs. So the first thing that I'm doing is just sectioning off the hair that I will be using to lay down as baby hairs. And once I do that, then I go back over it with my flat iron, not my hot comb, I mean, and I'm just like straightening it out. And then again, like I said, with this wig in particular, if you want to add baby hairs, like I said, you guys, you definitely need to do some plucking just for it to look really natural and not to like bulky and wiggy in the front. Just pluck some of the hair out, that way the baby hairs are not too thick, and it'll also help to give you like that real scalp effect. Now I'm taking my flat iron and I'm just going to be curling the hair in the front. So apparently what this does is it just basically molds the hair for you. And also it gives you like that fluffy baby hair look once you're done curling it. I did see Arrogant Tay do this method and a few other YouTubers, and it just looked really nice, and I was just like, okay, I definitely have to try this. And yeah, I'm so in love. I wish I knew about this so sooner. Like the baby hairs just lay so much better. They just look a lot more natural and fluffy. To be honest, I'm like really so over the whole completely slicked down baby hairs. Like I don't like how it looks just slicked down to your face. I like it more natural looking and more fluffy like this, and I feel like this method definitely gives you like that fluffiness in the baby hairs. It just looks so natural, you guys. So yeah. This looks so good. It looks so natural. And the hair is just beautiful. So this is their, so the lace itself on this unit is their new invisible super fine Swiss lace, and the hairline is upgraded. So as you guys saw, I really didn't need to do a lot of work when it came to like laying down the wig itself. So what I like with this unit is the fact that only if you want baby hairs that you really have to go in and do any plucking, but if you don't want any baby hairs on this unit, you do not have to go in and pluck any hair out of it. The lace itself is so fine that I didn't even have to use my melt band, and it just like it's melted into my skin. I don't know if you guys can see that, but like this lace is so gorgeous. It was so easy to just lay down. The hair itself is really nice. It's really full and thick. This does remind me a lot like my natural hair texture, so like our African American hair texture. It's their new Kamo knots lace wig. It is a yaki texture hair. I did get this here at 24 inch, so it is pretty long. Also, the density on this wig is a 150 density. I'm just gonna quickly take my straightener and go over the hair just to press it out a little and show you guys what it's really given. Alright y'all, so this is the wig. This is the finished look. Really love this. I love the yaki texture. So I did go ahead and add some baby hairs to this unit. I also highlighted that part in space. That's a trick that I've been doing lately and it's been really working for me. Again, like I told you guys, I'm not the I just cannot make a really straight part in space. I don't know why. So what I've been doing lately is using the ending of my rat tail comb, adding the concealer to the ending of it, and just placing that right in the part in space, and you know, going up and down with it, and you guys, I get a straight part. So that definitely helps. If you do not have a sturdy hand, definitely recommend trying that method, and if it doesn't work for you, then honestly I do not know what else will. But yeah, overall the hair, again, the unit is really soft and nice. So far I'm not getting any shedding or any tangling from this unit. It is true to length. The hair is really full and nice. It is a 150 density, but the hair is really full and nice. But yeah, this is pretty much the unit. I think it looks really natural. Comment down below, let me know what you guys think of this unit. I will leave all the links listed down below to where you guys can purchase this unit. Also the wax stick, this I got on Amazon. Just the products that I did use in today's video, I will have those listed down below as well for you guys. And yeah, that is pretty much about it. Thank you guys so much for tuning back in. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, all of that, and I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye.